Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue not able to change thumbnail of the YouTube short video. So when I try to change thumbnail, I am getting this error message. See, this is the error message, unable to preview the video. I also tried to load different thumbnail image from the bottom, but that also not working. So I will show you how we can fix this issue. See this 2 minutes 41 seconds video, that is a video where I faced that issue. Let me try to upload same video again. Tap on this plus icon over here, then upload that same 2 minutes 41 seconds video. So here we can type some title, then tap on upload short. Let me make it private, then tap on upload short. Now it's uploading, please wait. Now it's processing. Okay, uploaded. Let me refresh. Here you can see new video, that is a second copy of above video. So let me try to edit this one. Tap on these three dots, then tap on edit, then tap on edit icon on top left, tap here, then please wait. See, now it's working. It has loaded a thumbnail image. Let me try to change the thumbnail image. Please wait. See, that also working. Let me try to add some label here, then save it. See, that also working. So this way we can fix that issue. Just upload same video again. There you should be able to change the thumbnail. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.